moment I got the gospel, my heart was convicted. When Jesus left that day on the foot of the mountain there, an angel came from up above to tell the man down there, "Hey, you man of Galilee, why you standeth like this? The Christ that you see shall come back some other day." Others felt disheartened, they went back to their homes. Others thought it wise to proclaim the gospel yonder. You know I wasn't there, 'cause I'm just a newborn. The moment I got the gospel, my heart was convicted. I thought of all the loved ones resting there this time. And Christ who made the promise, He's gonna bring them back to life. There is no time to waste. My mind has been made up, and right on the crystal sea